right, so these are my 2 attempts that I'm taking for the day. Let's see how it goes. All right, so NAS 100 hit SL. I just went ahead and have moved my stop loss to entry, so this is a risk-free trade. I moved my stop loss to 500 in profit, which will basically cover the first loss that I took. So today was break even if this doesn't hit TP. All right. So it came close to my TP, but it didn't hit. So I'm about to go ahead and exit. I'm out for the day. So today was a win. See y'all on the charts again tomorrow. Peace.